Hi, welcome to the very first video of my channel Solo Studios and myself Pirate. We will be doing free tutorials and courses on programming, game development and hacking. So today we are going to have a quick introduction to programming. So let's begin. A computer can neither think nor make a decision on its own. It's not possible for any computer to independently analyze a given data and find solution on its own. In simple words, say computer cannot find solutions to a specific problem on its own. So to find a solution to specific problems, it needs a program, and the process of writing a program is called programming. Also, the process of writing a program is done by the programming languages. The chart shows the classification of programming language. Programming language are broadly classified into two levels. That's the high-level language and a low-level language. A high-level language is a language which is user understandable, or the syntax is similar to the human language or our communication language. And the next level language, that is the low-level language, and the syntax of low-level language is native to the computer code or the binary code, that is 1 and 0. Moreover, high-level language are also classified into three types, that is procedural, non-procedural and problem-oriented. So let's go with the procedural. Procedural language are algorithmic, object-oriented and scripting languages. So algorithmic language are high-level languages, so they are designed to make some algorithms for solving some real-world problems. Like, say, if you want to solve a calculation, then you can use an algorithm, or if you want to detect a user from a bot in a website, if you want to detect a human or not, then you can use algorithm for detecting that. And example of algorithmic languages are COBOL, Fortran and C. Object-oriented languages are the languages which actually works on objects, and they don't need to be programmed every time for each and every object. The examples of object-oriented language are C++, Java and Smalltalk. And the third type of procedural language is scripting. The scripting languages are the language that has its own functions already written, or in other words, you say that you are using the already written program to form a new program, right? So for example, now the scripting language of Perl, its package has a function written to do the addition. So what you are going to add in your program is sum of 2 plus 3. Then it will return to the package of Perl and it will fetch the pre-written program of addition, and it will do the addition and give you the output. The second type of high-level language is non-procedural language. Non-procedural language are again classified into two of them, that's a functional and a logic based. These functional languages solve a problem by applying a set of functions to initial variables in specific ways to get answer. In simple words, you say you need to have different variables and different functions for each and every different calculation. And the logic based, that is a prologue. A logic program is expressed as a set of atomic sentences known as a fact, etc. In simple words, you say they're a scientific language, then you can collaborate all the scientific symbols and all the scientific laws that to form or to get output regarding your calculation, atomic or scientific calculation. The third type of high-level language is a problem-oriented language. So a problem-oriented language are numeric, symbolic and publishing, right? These are high-level languages that are designed for developing convenient expression of a given class of problems, and problem-oriented language are more specifically used in satellites, the programming of satellites, just like forecasting weather, mapping of land on the earth and etc. Now let's move into the low-level languages. Low-level languages are classified into two of them. That's a machine language and assembly language. So they are quite simple. Machine language works on the syntax of 1 and 0, the binary code. And all the instructions are written in 1, 0, 1, 0, etc. And in assembly language, the instructions are in a form of symbols or any letters. For example, add 7 plus 2. That's add 7 plus 2. Then and etc. There are a lot of examples. So this was all about programming language, or an introduction to programming. If you have any queries, then you can post it below the comments. But this was it for now, and I shall recommend you to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the further videos that I will be uploading. And the videos or the programming language we'll be going through is Python and the C, and we will discuss in future about Python and C, and we'll develop different kinds of application. Till that, stay tuned. If you like this video, click the like button below and be sure you subscribe. Thank you.